Bazaar, and welcome to the world words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is rendezvous. R-E-N-D-E-Z-V-O-U-S. Rendezvous. The definition of the word rendezvous is a meeting at an agreed place and time. This word is derived in the late 16th century from the French word rendezvous. Rendezvous is the French way for the word meeting at an arranged place and time. An example of a sentence with the word rendezvous is, Sarah was late for the rendezvous at the park. Some of the synonyms of rendezvous are assignation, appointment, tryst, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.